Struggling with dry, boring chicken breast? Today, we're revealing the secrets to making the juiciest, most flavorful chicken breast ever. Stick around for expert tips and a perfect pan sauce. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today, we're showing you how to cook chicken breast like a pro. No dryness, no toughness, just pure, juicy perfection. Let's get started. Smaller breasts tend to be more tender and juicy. If the chicken is too thick, butterfly or slice in half for even cooking. Avoid pounding too thin. This can lead to overcooked dry meat. Pat dry with a paper towel to remove excess moisture for better browning. Simple seasoning is best. Just kosher salt and black pepper. Season from a height for even distribution. Use a stainless steel or cast iron pan for the best sear. Heat to medium-high and use a neutral high smoke point oil. Lay the chicken away from you to prevent oil splatter. Don't move it around. Let the pan do the work for a golden crust. Flip when golden brown and lower heat to finish cooking evenly. Do not overcook. Chicken breast is best at 150 to 155 degrees Fahrenheit. It will continue cooking after removing from heat. Use a thermometer or press test. If it's bouncy but firm, it's done. Let it rest on a wire rack to keep juices from escaping. Shallots and garlic for depth. Deglaze with chicken stock to lift up all the flavorful bits. Reduce for concentrated flavor. And finish with butter and fresh lemon juice. Spoon sauce underneath the chicken so the crispy crust stays intact. Now you know how to make the juiciest, most delicious chicken breast every single time. What's your favorite way to cook chicken? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert cooking techniques. Want to master more kitchen secrets? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for more pro tips and recipes.